To enable or disable video enhancer in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down. Tap Video Enhancer. Tap Video Enhancer switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.